Welcome for watching this video of how to create Facebook page. You may need to add page to Facebook. But how to create page on Facebook? If you have not created page on Facebook before, you may not know how page can be created on Facebook. Step-by-step procedures will be discussed in this video, and it is hoped that it can be helpful for the understanding of page creation on Facebook. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video from this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. You can watch to the end of video since some hint may be helpful near the end of this video. The first step for the creation of page on Facebook is the logging in Facebook. The login is used to identify who would like to create page on Facebook, and the page is associated with the login on Facebook. The second steps for the creation of page on Facebook is the clicking of pages on the left side of the navigation bar. After clicking the pages, it will arrive the Pages page on Facebook. It is needed to further click the Create New Page button on the left side of the navigation bar. The fourth step is the input of page-related information. There are 3 fields that may be needed to be input in this page. The first field is the page name, which is required field for the creation of the page. The second field is the category of the page, which is also required field for the creation of the page. You can type in the beginning letters for the category you would like to assign the category to the page in this field. For example, if you would like to assign the page with the category of travel, you can type the letter T. The category of travel and transport will then be shown as the menu item. You can then choose that menu item to assign the category of the page. You can assign a maximum of 3 categories for the page. The last field is the description of the page. You can add some wordings for describing the page. After that, you can click the Create Page on the lower part of the navigation bar. Maybe you want to add image or further details on the page. You may need to save the page by clicking the Save button. How to check the page is created on Facebook. You can click Pages again and check whether the new page is created or not. Excellent. This video may be helpful in the creation of page on Facebook. Thank you very much for your watching of this how to create Facebook page in this channel. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video from this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Hope that you can find this video helpful.